How to change your Spotify password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change your Spotify password, so you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change our Spotify account's password, you have to understand that we will not be able to do it from the app. So whether you're trying to change a password because you don't remember it and that you're trying to reset it, or maybe you do remember your current password but you still want to change it, whatever the case is, you have to log in from your browser, right? So in order to do this, just go ahead and then actually launch your browser in this case. So I'll just go ahead and open up my browser, and then you simply want to come to spotify.com. Over here, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then go to the login page over here. Now if you actually do not remember your password, we can go ahead and then reset it as well. Once you're on the login page, you just need to tap on the option called forgot your password, and as you tap on the forgot your password option, enter the email address that was associated with your Spotify account. Then after that, just hit the send button. It will send a password reset link to that specific email. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to basically go ahead and then open up that specific email. So let me exit out of it. I'll go ahead and open up. In my case, it is in my Hotmail email, so I'll just log into my Hotmail over here. So when you receive an email from Spotify, you will be able to tap on that link and you should be able to successfully reset your password in that way. Then it will take you to a new page where you can simply enter the new password without having to remember your old password. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then reset your password on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.